Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing. I will be unboxing the Telfar Melissa Jelly bag. This bag is the medium-sized bag and I have the color black, and this is my first time seeing it in person as I'm showing it to you. So this is the dust bag that it comes in. It says Melissa Telfar. I purchased it on the Telfar website and it was $202, I believe. These bags sold out like within about 2 hours. And here's the straps. It has the shoulder straps on the inside, so you could wear it on your shoulder or you could wear it as a crossbody. And then it has the smaller handles where you can carry it in your hand or on your wrist or inside of your arm. And what I like about this one is that it's not very see-through. Like I was looking at the clear one. They have a clear one that's very pretty too, but I didn't want my purse to be too transparent, so I preferred the black one. So yes, I decided to get the black one, and it's see-through, but it's not very see-through. And look, on the back it says Melissa Telfar. Next, I would just be placing a few items inside of the bag so you can see how it looks as far as transparency with items inside. So I'm going to take my bright colored eyelash package just so you can see how it will show through the bag. And right here, I'm just going to show you a pouch that I purchased especially for this bag, just to put my personal items inside of, such as my wallet or my money. You know, things I would like for the public to see. I purchased the pouch at Tjmaxx. Actually, it's a makeup bag. It was $9.99 at Tjmaxx. There it is, and as you can see, you can't really see it. I'm gonna open it up so you can see it. The bag is stuffed already, but I'm gonna remove the paper, and then I'm gonna place some items on the inside so you can see how that looks. Okay, I'm going to stick the eyelashes back inside of the bag, inside of the pouch, but I'm going to put it in the long way so you can see that the part that's in the pouch is very discreet as to where the part that's sticking out of the pouch you will still be able to see. And this is just for the people who don't want their purse to be totally see-through. Okay, I'm going to just turn this around so it'll lay flat inside of the bag so it can't be seen. And now I'm going to place a few more items inside. This is my tech pouch. I'm just going to stick that on the side of the purse. I don't feel like that needs to be hidden, so I don't really mind anyone seeing that, so that's sitting on the outside. Anyway, I'm gonna finish packing my bag. Right here, I am putting my journal inside of the purse. I'm just trying to place a few bright color items inside of the purse so you can see how, you know, it looks. Okay, my change purse I stuck inside of the pouch because of course I wouldn't want anyone to see my wallet or my money. And just in case you're wondering, I got my journal from Target. Okay, you can see the journal a little bit, and you can see my tech pouch. And in the front, where my black pouch is at, is you can barely even see it. And my wallet is inside of there. And I want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel, watching my video. And if you like my content, could you please hit that subscribe button? And if you like this video, hit the like button. And I will see you on the next one. Enjoy your day.